Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. If you want to grow your TikTok account, so this video for you. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a TikTok videos using AI. So you don't need to any skill to create any kind of videos like using different kind of software. So it's completely free. It's a AI tools and you can upload in your TikTok. Also, you can upload in your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you visit my YouTube channel, you can see my short sections and you will find different kind of shorts video that created by AI. So check out my popular and oldest and latest and compare this. So I am getting views from using AI shorts. Here you can see also you can upload in your TikTok account. So in this tutorial I'm going to create a TikTok videos using AI and it's completely free for you. So if you are a student, if you are a business owner, if you want to grow your TikTok account to promote your business, so this video for you. So before jumping to video, so if you are new in this channel, if you want to get this kind of videos, how you can make money online, how you can start freelancing, how you can use AI and make money, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because I make videos those kind of. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you have to find your niche. That's mean what kind of videos do you want to produce. So right now I'm in my TikTok account. Here you can see TikTok style trending now. So it's a niche style, so you can find this kind of videos, and in this tutorial we are trying to create this kind of videos that gonna make our views. Okay, so let's do it. First of all, you have to sign up with vid.io. so this tools that gonna make you really crazy video. Okay, definitely you have to sign up with your Google account or Apple account, whatever it is. So just sign up and set up your account, and then you will see this kind of dashboard over there, and here you can see create your first video. So create project, record video, create avatar video. So first of all we'll set up our new project. So click on create project, present, and here you can see let's make a video. So you can start to record, but we don't need it. Just we are going to click on start with AI. Click on start with AI, and this is the prompt section where you can write down your video. That's mean what kind of videos do you want to produce or generate. Okay, here you can see the surfing for beginners, sales update, product announcement. It's just example, but if you want to upload in your TikTok and if you have any tech gadget or lifestyle niche, so write it down here. All right, so I just wrote it here: a American beautiful girl dancing with easy and cool steps for TikTok. I don't know, it's completely out of my mind. I don't know how to produce these tools. So click on generate video. So we are preparing your video, writing a script, recording a voiceover, generating background music, and finding stock media to fill the timeline. So these tools are really amazing because a couple of months I'm just using these tools and making this kind of shorts video that I need also my specific niche channel. Okay, and it's really amazing because you don't need to hire any script writer or voice recorder. Okay, I don't need to epidemic or different kind of music background. Okay, so these tools by default creating your videos with script and voiceover and background music. So definitely check out this tools vid.io, and here you can see it's almost done and it's complete now. So let's see how it's look like, and I'm thinking it's a portrait tall. So let's click on that, and if you want to select TikTok, so select TikTok. All right, and here you can see 26 seconds length, and let's play. You can see subtitle and audio, music, and she's dancing. Wow, this is really cool. Oh my god, it's a robot. Okay, oh my goodness. And here you can see she's dancing in the desert. Oh my god, it's amazing. First of all, you have to change the audio. So if you want to delete this, if you want to download this, how you can do this, just click on down section and you will see the standard quality. So make sure it's a standard quality. All right, and burn subtitle, also click on this. So that's mean the subtitle will be over there. Okay, so let's click on export video. Alright, so video is rendering now. Rendering your video, hang in there. It may take a few minutes. 100% done. And here you can see you can share with your friends through the social media. Also you can embed it. Also you can download this. Just here you can see the download button. Click on download. And here you can see the download option, mp4, mp3, zip. You must have to purchase their premium packages. Okay, so if you want to download free, it's completely free, don't worry, just click on download here, mp4, 720 pixel, and it's almost downloaded here. Okay, so if you want to create another, like it's a lifestyle and TikTok video, all right, and while you using this video uploading on TikTok and the shorts video, you can add the trending music over there, don't worry at all. But if you use this music, so it's gonna get you a trouble like a copyright strike or something like that, so don't need to use this kind of music. Okay, so I'm going to show you another short video how you can create a niche base. So suppose like you are running a TikTok account, it's a real estate business and also investment and finance related. Okay, so if you want to grow your TikTok account, so just shorts video which is really related to your subject. Okay, so you can give some information to your clients audience. Also you can promote different kind of products. All right, so I just wrote it here, top 5 real estate finance company in USA. Like it's really specific. Okay, so let's click on generate and let's see how it's create. So if you have any niches that you want to produce, so definitely you have good knowledge on your particular topic or niche. Okay, suppose if you have running any gaming channel where you can upload your gaming TikTok shorts video. Okay, alright, our video is done. Here you can see it's a real estate finance, it's a tall building. Okay, so let's play it here.
Alright, folks, when it comes to real estate finance companies in the USA, these are the top 5 players you need to know about. At number 5, we have Walker & Dunlop, a powerhouse in commercial real estate financing. Next up, at number 4, is Berkadia, known for their multifamily and commercial mortgage expertise. Coming in at number 3 is Greyston, specializing in FHA and Fannie Mae loans. In the runner-up position, we have KeyBank Real Estate Capital, a major player in real estate investment banking. And finally, taking the top spot is Wells Fargo, a trusted name in residential and commercial real estate financing. Keep these names in mind for all your real estate finance needs.
Click on down section and make sure quality and the burn subtitle. Export the video. So it's a long video than our first video. It's amazing and 100% done. So click on download here, click on mp4. So this is how you can produce your TikTok videos. Alright, so this is the same process where you can produce a YouTube shorts video. So I will come back with another tutorials how you can create YouTube shorts video. There are different kind of niches. So if you have any queries, comment below. I'll come back with next tutorial. So have a good day. Tata, bye bye.